let us look at the angles formed when a line cuts two parallel lines. Suppose we have our two parallel lines. Let me use this as one parallel line, and this as my other parallel line. Now, you have a line that cuts them at an angle. This is called a transversal, right? You have some angles that are formed. Here, let's say that this angle we call A, angle A. Now, we also have another angle that is equal to angle A. In fact, I'm able to see three other angles that are equal to angle A. Are you able to identify what these angles are? What I want you to do is pause the video, draw this on a piece of paper, and label the three other angles that are equal to angle A. So go ahead now. Okay, so have you done that? Let's see. Here, this angle is also equal to angle A. These two angles correspond, they are corresponding angles, right? Now, in addition to this being angle A, this angle here is also angle A, right? It's vertically opposite to this. These and these are vertically opposite angles, right? So, in that case, you have two of them so far. Now, you have this angle A, and you have the angle that is vertically opposite to it, which is also this. So, let me put this in. This is angle A. So, you have a total of 4 angles here that are exactly the same. Now, we can also put in some other angles. Let's say this is angle B right here, angle B. Now you also have other angles that are equal to angle B. This angle corresponds with this one up here, right? So it's equal to angle B. You have this other angle also equal to angle B, right? It's vertically opposite to that one. And what about the other angle that is equal to that angle? You have another angle B, which is right here, right? So you have those angles, all of those angles there. Angle A is equal, angle B is equal, right? Now, let's look at an example with some numbers. Let me draw this line and this line are parallel, and then I have this line that cuts both of them at the same time, right? Here now, let's imagine that this angle is 30 degrees. we can find this angle, this, this, and this angle. All right. Now here, this is 30. This is corresponding to it. This is also 30. And this angle is vertically opposite to it. It's 30. Same argument applies to this. Now what about this angle here? Remember, if you should go all the way around, you would have 180 degrees. But if you come like this, you stop right here. So how much more do you need to get to 180? It would be 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, which would give you 150 degrees. So what's left is the 150 degrees right here. So if this is 150, this corresponds to it to be 150 as well. This is vertically opposite to it. Give you 150 degrees. You have this vertically opposite to it as well, 150 degrees, right? So that's an example there. So that's what happens when you have two parallel lines which are cut by a third line.